Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to track over an object like you see on the screen right now. I had done something similar, but it wasn't tracking. More of showing how to animate a picture into a video and put something on a dock. And one of my subscribers asked me to basically do this tutorial, so I'm doing it. Originally this was just a still, no motion. I made it into a little video. Okay, we'll go to Fusion. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. That's why it's up on the screen. With the media in selected, shift space, and planar tracker. The biggest mistake I was making with this tracker was not making the surface area that's tracked large enough. I'll kind of demonstrate what happens, why it pushes off. What I would normally do now, I would track all the way down to the end. I'm going to make it about the size of the corner pin, just to show you how to prevent from it pushing. And I'm not at the beginning or the end, I'm in the middle, so I got to hit set and track. Bring down our logo. It's just a transparent picture of a logo. And select the tracker. Go over to operation mode, corner pin. Now, if I have that below the tracking area, it's going to push. The way to prevent that is keep it within that tracking area. And now it goes right over. And if you want to resize it, select your media, get a transform. You can size it and change the aspect. It isn't looking correct. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.